My name is Clara Davis. My student ID number is 3079912. This is my AVMA video task requirement for Miss Ryan in my Intro to Vet Tech course for fall 2017. I will be teaching you how to pill a dog. You will need your pill. I'm using Zilkine today, which is an anxiety medication, and your dog. The first step is to open the dog's mouth, and you will shove the pill as far back in the throat as you possibly can. So open your dog's mouth, shove the pill as far down in the throat as you can, shut the mouth, rub the throat to induce swallowing. Today I will be teaching you how to pill a cat. I will be using Antinol, which is a joint supplement. So all you need is your cat and your pill. Your first step is to hold the pill between your thumb and your forefinger. Second step is to firmly grasp your cat's head, well, behind the head. Second, you will use the middle finger of the hand you have the pill in and open your cat's mouth. Place the pill as far back in the cat's mouth as you can. Close the mouth, rub the throat, inducing swallowing. And that is how you pill a cat. Today I will be teaching you how to trim a dog's nails. You will need nail trimmers, Quick Stop, and a dog. If you don't have Quick Stop at home, you can use flour or cornstarch. Quick Stop is used when you trim the nail too far back and the quick is exposed and starts bleeding. You'll simply pinch the Quick Stop and pack it firmly into the nail. Okay. The first step into cutting the dog's nails is to remove any excess fur from around the nail. The pink right here is the quick. The quick is filled with nerves and blood vessels and is very painful if you cut into it. So we want to use that as a guideline as to where to stop cutting. So I start with cutting just a sliver and then just another sliver. And there is the quick, which I quicked a little bit so I can show you guys how to use the Quick Stop. You simply pinch the Quick Stop and pack it into the nail. Wipe away or blow away any excess Quick Stop. And that is how you use Quick Stop. There's the quick exposed, so we don't want to go any further than that. There's the quick, so we don't want to go any further than that. And the quick is almost exposed on that one too. And that is how you trim a dog's nails. Today I will be teaching you how to trim your cat's nails. First, you will need your kitty cat. Say hi, George. Second, you will need nail trimmers. And third, you will need Quick Stop. If you don't have Quick Stop, you can improvise at home with flour or cornstarch. Quick Stop is used when you cut into the quick and it starts bleeding. You'll simply pinch your Quick Stop and pack it firmly into the nail. Okay, your first step is to try as best as you can to remove any excess hair around the nail. Second, you will simply push down on the pad to expose the nail. The pink is the quick, which is filled with nerve endings and blood vessels, and it is very painful if you cut into the nail. So I use the quick as a guide. I will cut right before the quick, not exposing the quick. And that is how you trim your cat's nails. Today we will be catching urine from a female dog. You will need your female dog on a leash, and you will need your catching utensil. I'm using a vaccine tray from my clinic. We will need to be catching the urine midstream due to the urine being directly from the bladder versus it being contaminated with bacteria from the genitalia. All right. You will need to place the tray directly under the stream. Make sure you don't touch the dog and you don't contaminate it with your fingers. Today I will be teaching you how to apply a gauze muzzle. First, you will need your gauze. We have 1 inch and 2 inch in width gauze. And then you will need your dog. When applying a gauze muzzle, you always want to come from behind the dog's head to prevent any startling. The first step into applying a gauze muzzle is to make a loose loop in your gauze. It needs to be loose enough to easily go over the muzzle and then tighten. So the first step is to make a loop from behind the head, go over the muzzle, tighten. Then you will simply bring the gauze under the muzzle, cross your gauze pieces, and then go behind the ears. Once you are behind the ears, that's when you can tighten it as much as you need to and tie it. This will prevent the dog from being able to open its mouth and bite. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to apply a gauze muzzle.